Hi, this video is about how to create different types of LED signage. For the first two signage, the lights are coming from the inside of the alphabet. The third one, the lights are coming from the back, what we call a backlit LED. While the last one, the lights are coming from the surface of the alphabet, which front-lit LED. The first thing you need is a DXF file of the signage. There are two types of DXF here, single line and double line. The single line DXF is used to create the effect of the third and fourth, while the double line DXF is used to create the first two effects. Let's start with the first two effects. Go into Ceiling module, double click on the wall, right click, import modeling, local area, browse for the double line DXF. So here's the double line DXF. Let's move it up a bit. Since all the alphabet is the same, I'm just gonna use the first one and then copy paste later. Click on the outer line, change the thickness to 50. Same goes to this one, 50. Okay, next we're gonna drag the light tube into the shape. Go to section library, light tube, drag the round tube into the region. Now, click on the light tube and you may resize it so that it fits in fully. Then you may change the light power. Let's say I put 10, and then the light color, and you're done. Now I'm gonna copy another one and show you the next example. Let's say I would like to have a red alphabet with red lights. So you just change the light color to red as well as the alphabet. I'm just going to drag a red color onto the alphabet. We don't have to drag the texture onto all the surface one by one because we have this all same style function in Ceiling module. So that's it for the first two effects. Next, let's proceed with the third and fourth effect. Double click the wall. Now we're going to import the single line DXF. Let's make it further away from each other. And change the thickness to 50 each. Then go back to section library, drag the same light tube onto the surface. Now the light tube is actually located at the middle of the text. Okay, so to push it to the back, click on the alphabet, section edit, then drag the light tube to the top. Don't forget to change the light power and color. And for the last effect, I'm going to use the same alphabet, so I'm just going to copy paste this to the bottom. Click on the alphabet, section edit. Now we can put the light tube on the surface of the alphabet like this. And you may resize the light tube, change the light power and color as usual. So there you have it. Happy trying. Bye.